This is a POLYCOM viewstation FX. I'll zoom in on the logo and you see that right below that POLYCOM sticker it says viewstation FX. This is not, to me, this is not just a video conference system. This was a revolution. This system was one of the first systems that allowed us to do multi-point video calls over IP, and it was built into this system. I'm going to turn it around so you can see the back panel of the POLYCOM FX. If you look at that, that's a back panel, and I'm going to go through a couple of things. That's the where you plug your internet connection, and it has a hub for a computer. You can see the little icons above everything. That's a VGA port, and that's used for PowerPoint presentations. There's inputs and outputs for VCRs and DVDs and stuff like that. And there's this plug right here is an input, so you can have your wireless microphone plugged into there. And this is the output right here. This is S-video and RCA component outputs. This is very interesting because you could plug an analog phone connection into this POLYCOM and use it as your conference phone. There are some other plugs up there which I won't get into, and also this is for ISDN right here, which I don't think that anybody's going to use. The camera on this thing is pan tilt zoom, and it has a wide angle lens built into the camera. This is made by Sony. It's called an EVI D10 is the model number of this camera. And this system is very formidable. It was one of the first systems to be able to do multi-point IP. It's still very valuable today. You can't compare the video calling capability of this with something like Skype or Google or any of the other services that are out there. This is a revolution. It's very cool. You need to have a little bit of bandwidth, meaning you need to have a 384K pipe up, which is pretty common in a normal cable connection, right? These days we get like 2 megabit uploads. So this is a very cool system, coupled with the other system that I have on this auction, the POLYCOM viewstation VSX. This and that together would equal communication breakthrough for your office. If you don't have anything like this right now, this would be a low-cost way of having extraordinary communication between two offices. Please feel free to call me 954-295-8434, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. And Happy New Year!